Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. So what's up my dear all of friends, I hope you are passing outstanding time by the grace of Almighty Creator, and Alhamdulillah I'm quite well. So right now in this video I'm going to talk about very interesting topic, that is 10 easy English sentences for daily use. Okay, so in this video I will give you 10 easy sentences I will share with you that you can actually use it in your daily conversation. Okay, so already I have noted here, as you can see. I have noted here. I will give you step by step. So let's kick off today's video by telling you. Okay, so number one, এদিকে আসো, what we can say in English. এদিকে আসো, এটাকে আমরা ইংরেজিতে বলতে পারি come here. Okay, what we can say, come here, এদিকে আসো. So come here means এদিকে আসো. This is the number one. Number two, ওদিকে যাও, go there. ওদিকে যাও, go there. তার মানে এদিকে আসো, come here. ওদিকে যাও, go there. Okay, number three, sit down. We all know this word, sit down. Sit down means বসো. Sit down means বসো. Hey bro, sit down please. Okay, so number four, stand up মানে দাঁড়াও. Stand up মানে কি? দাঁড়াও. Hey, stand up. What's your name? তোমার নাম কি? Stand up please. Okay, so number five, wait a minute. এক মিনিট অপেক্ষা করো. Okay, so we can also use it. Hey my dear friends, please wait a minute. এক মিনিট অপেক্ষা করো. Okay, number six, look at me. আমার দিকে তাকাও. Look at me মানে কি? আমার দিকে তাকাও. Exactly. Okay, number seven, speak loudly. জোরে কথা বলো. Speak loudly মানে কি? জোরে কথা বলো. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't hear you properly. Speak loudly, bro. Okay, speak loudly means জোরে কথা বলো. Okay, don't worry. দুশ্চিন্তা করো না অথবা চিন্তা করো না. Don't worry মানে কি? দুশ্চিন্তা করো না অথবা চিন্তা করো না. Oh, don't worry, it will solve, no problem, don't worry about it. Okay, so number nine, try again. আবার চেষ্টা করো. Try again means আবার চেষ্টা করো. Hey bro, try again and again. If you fall down, no problem, try again, once again. Okay, try again means আবার চেষ্টা করো. Okay, number 10, be careful মানে সাবধান হও. Be careful means সাবধান হও. So this was our today's video, and I hope guys you will enjoy this video, and it's real amazing video. And today I chose this topic that I can share with you 10 easy English sentences for daily use, when actually you can use it with your partner, such as I want to say again, come here, এদিকে আসো, go there, ওদিকে যাও, sit down বসো, stand up দাঁড়াও, wait a minute এক মিনিট অপেক্ষা করো, look at me আমার দিকে তাকাও, speak loudly জোরে কথা বলো, don't worry দুশ্চিন্তা করো না অথবা চিন্তা করো না, try again আবার চেষ্টা করো. Okay, be careful, সাবধান হও. So I hope guys you will enjoy this video, and if you think this video is really helpful for the beginner, you may share this video with your friends and family so that they can also use these sentences. So that's all to this video. Assalamu alaikum.